Good day, Chapter 7, Power BI Data Types. So we're gonna tackle here what are the different data types of Power BI. So let's get started. So again, data type. So data type, it's a process wherein it controls the data that you enter on a specific column. So it is used inside DAX. Okay, so DAX is a library of function as I review you. Okay, so it includes operator that can be combined to build formulas and expression. So that's how important data type is. Data type dictates what value can be entered on every column. These are the following data types that can be entered. By category, whole number, numbers that have no decimal places. Integers that can be positive or negative in number. Example are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all whole numbers. Decimal number, real numbers that are uh, contains decimal places. Real numbers covers a wide range of values that includes decimal places. Boolean answers the expression of whether the expression would be true or false. Text string, a Unicode character data string that can be string, numbers, or dates represented in a text format. To cut it short, when the data type is a text, it will have a value equal to any word or letter. Date. This includes dates and time. So it includes hour, minutes, seconds, month, day, and year. Currency. This includes money. Okay, fixed by it is Power BI is fixed to dollar currency, so that allows a digit from 922, as you can see on the screen, to negative value of it with a fix of 4 decimal place. Okay, meaning to say if you enter a value or you choose a currency data type, it will have a fix of 4 decimal place uh, on load. So whenever you want to decrease the decimal place, you could edit it after the load of the report. Next is the NA, or a blank value or undefined. A blank is a data type index that represents and replaces SQL null. Null can be defined as undefined values. You can create a blank by using the blank function and test for blanks by using the logical function isBlank. Follow and subscribe to my channel. Follow my FB pages for updated videos. Those are Prof Dale, Prof Dale 7 for YouTube. And then if you would like to avail our paid training, you can avail to our Facebook page, iMerge IT Consultancy. Thank you and have a nice day.